The check engine light is one of the most important warning systems in your vehicle. Understanding what it means and what causes it can save you time, money, and prevent serious engine damage. The check engine light, also known as the malfunction indicator lamp or MIL, is part of your car's onboard diagnostic system called OBD2. The system centers around the engine control module, or ECM, which constantly monitors your engine's performance through various sensors throughout the vehicle. When the ECM detects a problem, it triggers the check engine light. This happens when issues affect engine performance, emissions control, fuel efficiency, or vehicle safety. Based on 2024 automotive repair data, the most common cause is oxygen sensor failure, accounting for 28% of all check engine light cases. Catalytic converter issues are the second most common cause at 22%, often resulting in reduced acceleration and a sulfur smell from the exhaust. Mass airflow sensor problems account for 18% of cases, typically causing engine stalling and hard starting issues. Spark plug and ignition coil failures represent 15% of cases, leading to engine misfiring and poor acceleration. Surprisingly, a loose or faulty gas cap accounts for 8% of check engine light cases. This simple issue can cause fuel odors and decreased fuel efficiency. Understanding the behavior of your check engine light is crucial. A solid light typically indicates a non-critical issue that allows you to drive short distances safely. However, a flashing light signals a critical problem that requires you to stop driving immediately to prevent serious engine damage. Before using diagnostic tools, start with the simplest solution. Check if your gas cap is loose or damaged, as this is the cause of check engine lights in about 8% of cases. If the gas cap isn't the issue, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. First, locate the OBD2 port, which is typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side of the vehicle. Connect your OBD2 scanner to the port and turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The scanner will retrieve diagnostic trouble codes that identify the specific problem. There are three main methods to reset the check engine light. The scanner method is most reliable. Simply select Clear Codes or Erase Codes from your scanner menu. The battery disconnect method involves removing the negative terminal for 15 to 30 minutes. This clears all stored codes, but will also reset your radio and clock settings. The drive cycle method works for minor issues. Start with a cold engine, idle for 2-3 minutes, then drive at highway speeds for 10 to 15 minutes, followed by 5 minutes of idling. Important warning: 31% of cleared codes return within 30 days if the underlying problem isn't actually fixed. Clearing codes only turns off the light temporarily. You must address the root cause for a permanent solution.